Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving into a new set of cookware that promises to make your time in the kitchen more enjoyable and, dare I say, less of a chore. We're talking about the YIIFEEO non-stick frying pan set, a granite skillet set that boasts a 100% PFOA and PTFE-free construction. If you've been battling sticky food and tough cleanups, this might just be the answer you've been looking for. Let's start with what truly matters when it comes to non-stick pans, and that's the non-stick performance itself. YIIFEEO claims to have an edge here, stating that their set adds 4 layers of non-stick coating. This is a significant number, and in theory, it should translate to better, longer-lasting non-stick properties. The idea is that you'll need less oil or butter, making your cooking healthier and the release of food from the pan effortless. This is especially appealing for those who want to achieve perfectly cooked omelettes or slide delicate fish out of the pan without it falling apart. Now, one of the biggest headaches with cookware can be compatibility. Will it work on your stove? YIIFEEO addresses this head-on by designing these pans with a magnetic flat bottom. This means they should sit evenly on a heat source, and they are compatible with a wide range of stovetops, including induction, gas, ceramic, electric, and infrared cookers. It's important to note, however, that these are not oven-safe, so if you're accustomed to finishing dishes in the oven, you'll need to have a separate oven-safe pan in your arsenal. Safety and health are increasingly important considerations for consumers, and YIIFEEO emphasizes this aspect. The non-stick coating is described as being made from medical stone, and importantly, it holds certifications from FDA, BSCI, and LFGB. This natural mineral non-stick coating is promoted as being durable and, crucially, 100% free of PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium. This commitment to healthier materials is a big plus for anyone concerned about what they're cooking on. Cleaning is often the least favorite part of cooking, and this set aims to simplify that. Thanks to the non-stick coating, YIIFEEO suggests that sticky and difficult-to-clean problems will be a thing of the past. They recommend using a soft sponge or dishcloth, which is standard advice for non-stick surfaces. They also specifically advise against using sharp or pointy brushes, which is a good reminder as these can indeed damage the non-stick layer over time. So, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the promise of enhanced non-stick performance with 4 layers of coating is very attractive. The wide stovetop compatibility is also a significant advantage, making this set versatile for many kitchens. The emphasis on healthy, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium-free materials is a major selling point for health-conscious cooks. And finally, the ease of cleaning is always a welcome feature. However, there are a couple of things to consider. While 4 layers of non-stick sound great, the actual longevity of that non-stick capability will depend on usage and care. As with any non-stick pan, proper maintenance will be key to extending its lifespan. Also, the fact that they are not oven-safe is a limitation for some cooking styles. YIIFEEO also offers a 100% satisfactory guarantee, which is always reassuring. They encourage customers to reach out with any ideas or questions, and their policy is to ensure customer satisfaction. This level of customer support can be a deciding factor for many when making a purchase. In conclusion, the YIIFEEO non-stick frying pan set presents itself as a strong contender for anyone seeking a reliable, healthy, and easy-to-use cookware option. Its enhanced non-stick features, broad stovetop compatibility, and commitment to safe materials make it an appealing choice for everyday cooking. If you're tired of food sticking and scrubbing endlessly, this set is definitely worth investigating. Link in the description.